Unraveling the phrase, light off, English idioms made easy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, light off. This phrase might sound simple, but it has various meanings and uses in English. Stay tuned to discover how to use this phrase like a native speaker. First, let's talk about the most straightforward meaning of light off. This phrase can be used in a very literal sense, referring to the action of turning off a light source. For example, if someone says, "Can you light off the lamp in the living room?" they're simply asking you to switch off the lamp. Interestingly, light off can also be used in contexts like races or competitions. Here, it signifies the beginning of an action or event. Think of a race where the lights go off to signal the start. In this context, when the lights go off, we start running. The phrase indicates the start of the race. Now, let's explore the more idiomatic use of light off. In some contexts, it can mean to initiate or start an argument or a fight. For example, the debate got heated, and that's when she lit off. This means that the person started arguing or fighting. It's important to note that this usage is more colloquial and might not be as common in formal English. Light off can also appear in phrasal verbs. For instance, light off from could mean to depart or leave suddenly from a place. It's a bit old-fashioned and not so commonly used today. An example sentence might be, "He lit off from the party without saying goodbye." Understanding the context in which light off is used is crucial. The meaning can change based on the situation and the way it's used in a sentence. Always pay attention to the context to grasp the true meaning of the phrase. And that's a wrap on light off. We've seen how this simple phrase can be used in various ways, from its literal meaning to more idiomatic expressions. Remember, context is key in understanding English phrases. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.